Hello, everyone, dear Module 8 participants, about 2,000 of us, and welcome to this warm-up activity number 2, which is on setting up, you can see there, setting up your personal VICBHE website for Module 8 and generating the QR code. Today is the 30th day of January, and I'm reaching you from a global higher education Quality Assurance Conference in Washington, D.C. You can see some of the participants that are the ongoing conference. They'll be, why am I showing you? I'm showing you because they'll be giving you goodwill messages on the 26th of February. You have our ES here, Ambassador Chris Mayaki, my VC Lasso. This is the president of the entire globe. The president of CIQG, she'll be giving us a keynote address. This is Peter Okebukola here. This is the UNESCO juggernaut in quality assurance. And Professor Kune is there. Nadia is the head of the Arab League Quality Assurance Agency. So you're going to see on the Douglas Blackstock is the equivalent of the executive secretary of the UK agency like AUC. So why am I showing this? I've told you they'll be giving us goodwill messages. Now let's get on with the warm-up activity. Talking about warming up, it's cold though. It's cold in Washington, so let me warm up physically here before I warm you up with activity number 2. Okay, let's get on with the activity. I think the first question is, what has this personal website got to do with Module 8? Oh yes, those who had passed through VICBHE will know that we use it as a platform for submitting your practicals. We know this is a practical course, and so we're getting on with the setting of the website. And you may say, oh, website development is a lot of hassle, and you have to pay a lot of money for it. Hey, I assure you that there are several tools, several software, WordPress, Drupal, and the rest that you can see here. But the one we have chosen, our choice is free. And what's our choice? Our choice is Google Sites. Matter I pronounced it. It is Google, not Google. So we don't want our participants in Module 8 to say, oh, can you Google it? We are referring to this. But can you Google it? That means can you search for it? So let's get on with the action. What are the steps in setting up the website using Google Sites, websites? You can see websites, Google Sites. There are 5 steps which are going to take on very quickly, but slowly. Well, it can be quickly and slowly. I'll be rather fast so as to keep this video length to be short. So the first thing you do is to sketch the outline of the layout of your website and the rest. So let's do it practically. I've expanded the steps to 9, and the first one is to lay out the website in Microsoft Word. So you want to have the layout. So let's see how that goes. So this is Microsoft Word, new document, and want to just sketch it. You actually can use your hand to sketch it, but let me use a tool here, insert text box. Yeah, okay, so we're going to have, this is the home page, where you come home in the site. This is the home page. So you have the thing on top, this top level thing, and you have the other elements in here. I've tried to shorten this by providing some that I did. Let's see it. So this is the layout that I have. This I want the home page of my website to look like. You have this menu items, home, about us, CV, and the rest of them. You'll see in a minute, and then something right in the middle. So that is step 1, all done. Let's get on now to step 2. That I should get photos of the website looking attractive. So we're going to get some photos and some other contents that we want to use on the site. So what do I want to use on the site? I want to use the photo of my university, Lagos State University. I want to use a photo of myself, and some other contents will include my CV and the rest of, not my CV, my profile and then the practicals that we're going to be having. So let's see how we do that. It's nice to be organized, so it is better for me to have a folder which I can call materials for my website, and then put all of them here, so it'll be easy for me to get. Is anything there? It's still empty. Now let me get the photo of Lasso, my picture, and the rest. So you pack them all here. I've just googled sorry, Google. I've just googled, you can use it as a verb, googled Lasso, and you have this. So let's take on images. We have a number of images here. Let me take this one. I'm just going to do a second screenshot and then copy this one here. Yes, it's copied the thing here. I pasted it here and I can save it as let's say save it as a JPEG file in that folder. Yeah, I can just put this one as Lasso, and that's it. So it's right there in the folder. What else? My photo. Yes, I'm going to get one of them. Yeah, now I have my photo here. Let's see what it is. So that's a photo I'm going to use for the site. I will also be needing this, my brief profile. So I'm going to get this one into my folder. So that is end of that step. We have the Lasso image, you have my photo there, and you have the brief bio data. So let's get on to the next step. So the next step, as we can see, is step 3. If you do not already have one, you should set up a Gmail account. That means if you don't have a Google account, Google people won't allow you to enter their kingdom if you don't have an account. And an easy way to do it is to set up a Gmail account. Me, I have a Gmail account. Perhaps the email accounts of your institutions likely to be Gmail based. But don't worry about that one. You just set up yours, because from previous experience, that used to be come up with as a kind of hassle. So what you should do, set up a Gmail account. 2 or 3 steps you've done, and then just watch the next step. Here is my Gmail account, and that gives me visa to enter all the other applications of Google. If you go here, you see these 9 dots, you can see Google Apps. Google Apps, that means apps is application, abbreviation, shortened form of application. Google applications. If I click on this, you can see, oh my goodness, there are so many. So I have access to all of this for free. Yes, absolutely free. Now, what am I looking for? You have forms, Google Forms, which I use quite often, as you are aware. Hey, I cannot see Google Sites. How can I get it? Now, what you should do is just come here to this address bar and type sites.google.com. It's already typing it for me. I hit enter. So we are ready to roll with it. So you can see what I have. That is the step we just concluded. That's step we concluded is, if you don't already have one, set up a Gmail account to have access to Google resources. You'll find Google Sites as one of the resources. Me, I didn't find it all. So what did I type? I typed sites.google.com, and it took me to that page. So step 3 is done. Let's go on to step 4. Step 4 is go to Google Sites and open a blank Google site page, or select a template. I'm going to run through this fairly quickly. So let's do it. Yes, we are starting a new site, and then we're going to use here. Of course, there are templates, a lot of them that you can pick from. But let's learn it from the bottom up. Let's take the blank site, a blank website, personal website. It comes like this. It's an untitled site, but want to give it a name. And as I suggested, you have your surname, put a dash there, put your first name. Please don't miss this naming pattern. Then you say module so as to let us know how we're going to locate you and grade you. So that's it. Okebukola Peter module 8. So that's what we're going to do. As soon as I leave this place, you can see that it's going to change. That, oh yeah, this man has the web page now has a title. Your page title, yes, you're going to have it as my personal website for module 8. The thing has covered everywhere, but you see, this Google thing is so nice that you can stretch it like this. You can modify. It gives you the tool to use the menu items. This 64. Let's make it like 36. Okay, let's highlight and then make it like 36. Yes, so this is right. Let's make it bold. You can actually change this from Lato to all the other fonts that you can see here. But let's just skip this one. You can keep modifying as we go. So I already have my personal website for module 8. You already have your name. Hey, image. There's an image there, default. Default means that is there, that they are giving it to you. Take it if you like. But we don't like it. We want to have the image of your university, my university. So I'm uploading the image of LASU. I told you to pack everything in one folder. So when you click on this, you can see it as part of the image of Lagos State University. Ain't that nice? Yes, it is. My personal website for module 8. So what is next? What is next is for us to look at the sketch that we made for our website. This is the sketch that we made. We'll put the Lagos State University in there. So what we have: home, about me, my practicals, contact me, as a menu items, top level menu items. And then we're going to have something like this at about the middle. We're going to call it AI for teaching, for research, for all practicals. We're going to be doing practicals in the three elements. So back to our site, you can put the logo there. You can actually put what we call a favicon. We'll come to it. I don't think I should, but you can see all this. This is Zoom. This is this is that. This is my Yahoo. So all these are favicon, favorite icons. We are going to show you. You can see the thing is quite straightforward. So what do you want to do now? We want to put about me, about my CV, whatever it is. So what should we do? You go to pages, because these are pages. You go to pages, and this is the home page. That's where you come home to roost. So to add a page, what you'll do? Did you notice this plus sign here? Plus means I want to add a page. Now we are going to add a new page. This is where you should click here, new page. And what's that? Okay, about me. If you hit enter, you done, you can see it has put about me here. Very, very rapid action. So new page again. My practicals again. Sorry about my noisy keyboard. Then what's the next one? Contact me. Contact me. It can be lowercase m, it's fine. So you can see it has put all of these ones here. Oh, how very nice. As you are aware, we are going to, you can see it's putting this contact me here because it is, everyone here is a page. It's thinking that you will have to use the home page features everywhere, but no, we're not going to use the same home page features. Let's go to about me. About me, home is home is my personal website, as you can see it. About me is leaving the image here. So we're going to take off the image and put my own, put your own image. So that is my own there. So it has changed it. If you come to home, it will give you the last image. If you come to about me, it will give me this image. If you go to my practicals, what will it give you? It will be defaulting to the home one, but you can also be changing it as we are going to be doing. Contact me, it will be this one too. So let's go on to my practicals. because we're going to have practicals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This course is practicals. This course is practicals. This course is practicals. So for my practicals, we want to have a drop down. So people didn't find their names in a drop down list. So there's a drop down here. You can put your name here. I'm joking. So my practicals, what you want to do, if you look at these 3 dots, you click on it and we'll say sub page, add sub page, sub page. So the sub page here is what? Practical number 1. Let me just copy this so I can be. So you say done. You can see it as put it under here. Now you want to do practical number 2. Don't do this one because it's going to put it sub page under practical number 1. So it has to be the one here. So you say add sub page. Yeah, practical number 2. You can see there. They want to add practical number 3. You have to put the practical number 3 from here. So page, telling you this is very sweet, very nice. That's 3. Yes, so that's what we got. We're moving. So home is here, my personal website. About me is here. Practicals 1, 2, 3, and we'll keep going like that. Contact me is here. We're going to go to all of this bit later, but for this practical number, what is it, sir? Practical number 1, we are going to just stick with this. No, about me. You know, we already changed the photo. I told you that we have to put my profile, which I already indicated. I already have it in the folder there. So what we're going to do is add this thing here about me. What are we going to? So you want to insert some text material here. So you can see text box. It's already created something for you. So what do you want to do now? I want to add that my profile. My profile is here. You go to the profile and just select everything and copy. And when you copy, you come down here and just paste. Ooh. So that's it. You can make this thing jazzy, make it look nicer. You can change this one to blue or whatever color that you want. You can underline. You can do just. I leave this to you to. But this is just to start. We're going to be improving on this as we go along. So what have we done? We have set this website in motion. Is 0 draft, more or less. What's next is for us to ensure. Let's even preview it. This is preview here. Preview. You have to preview it to see how it is. This is how this thing is going to be on. Look at this one for computer on a laptop or a computer. This is how it's going to be. You click on home. This is what you're going to see. We're still going to put some things here about lasso or whatever, anything that you want. And this practical 1, practical 2, no, practical 3. This is about me. Okay, fine. We saw that. This is for the tablet. The tablet, that's smaller size. This side is going to look like in a tablet. What about your phone? Your phone. This side is going to look like in your phone. So that's how it is. Let's close this and then go back to this. So we're almost there. We're almost there. For a start, we're still going to be improving this. We're going to put our favicon. We're going to put in all of these practicals and the different images. Yeah. So as it is, we're just winking in the dark here. Nobody's seeing this. But you want everybody to see it. You want the grading facilitators of this course to sit and grade you. You want everybody, your friends, to see your new website and grade you. So this is where you come, share with others. And it loads this and it tells you, okay, got it. Publish site, make it public. Reserved or whatever, restricted. No, we don't want it restricted. We want it public. So you say it's done. So after doing that, you then publish this. Publish. So it's going to publish as to the web as Okebukola Peter Module 8. It's closing up that. Yeah, you can leave everything and just hit publish. So it's published. Your site has been successfully published. So that's the almost like the end of it. Hey, so what's the end? The end is that we want to get to the home screen, to the home here. And then, you know, we had in that our design, we had 3. for teaching, for research. So this one, you go to click it here. Hey, so you can see it has brought this one here. Click to edit. AI for teaching. AI for what? For research, of course. Then this is not AI for everything, for everyday living, everyday life. Let's say everyday life. That's it. You can modify this and so on. Now, I'm going to leave this to you. You can click on this and upload an image from the net on. You want me to do it? No, I'm not going to do it. Let me see how. That's how we know that you got this. When you click, you go to the net and look AI for teaching. Okay, let me do something. Yeah, so this is what it's going to be. You see, this is Google or Google AI for teaching. This Peter Okebukola said, "No be small thing for you." So you go to images, and then you see some images. I'd like you to take images that are not Caucasian. I like, something African or something that is not that's non-descriptive. So like this one, for instance, you can copy it, copy the image. Where is it? Copy the image, paste somewhere, and then come back to here. This is the image. I'm going to save it in the materials for my website. Maybe take as a JPEG file. AI for teaching. Yes. So I can then go back to here. Am I getting too fast? No, I don't think so. This is quite slow enough to upload from here, and this is it. Yeah, so that's it. So you have AI for research, AI for everyday life. Just have these ones there. We are moving into it. I think we are. Yeah, after we've satisfied us. Oh, wow, I've forgotten that we need to do a couple more things. Have the footer. Yeah, now I want to add a footer to my own page, and it will add to all the other pages. So where's Mr. Footer? You can see add footer. So you click on this, and then you say Okebukola Peter. Yeah, I've completed it. Okebukola, my personal website for module 8. You can do quite a lot of things. You can center it. Yeah, where's center now? Center line. You can put in the center. And then when you come here, you can duplicate the section. You can section color. You can use all manner of styles. Let's look at this. Aha, this is nice. So if you come here, you can change the section colors. You can put an image. This style 3. I think I'm happy with style 3. Maybe you are also. So that's it. Then we'll publish again. So this is showing you the 1 minute now. Currently published. This is the draft. So we're going to ask it to publish. So it's publishing, and this is the new thing. Oh, how lovely. So you're going to do the rest for here. Well done now for the website creation, at least the first, the initial part of it. So how do you get the site address? If you come to here, you can see copy published site link. If you click on this, it will give you the site link. So you can see HTTPS size, very long name. Hey, but in the next part of this warm-up activity, I'm going to show you how you can get something that will take you to this site. It is called QR code. That will be after we're back from the break. So let's take a short break. Like we see on CNN while we are on break, let's take a short quiz. Now, what does serendipity mean? What does it mean? A, stupid behavior. B, stationary at the position, C, good fortune, and D, tragic mishap. Yes, the answer is good fortune. Good fortune. I wish all of us serendipitous moment. Big grammar. Yeah, we should not. Let's have some fun in this our module 8. So it's good fortune. Serendipity is good fortune. May good fortune smile on all of us. And so that's bringing us to the end of the break. Let's move on. Welcome back from the break and from the short quiz. We stopped here where we have this long link. This web address is sometimes called, or the other name for it is Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform, U, resource, R, and L, locator. So when you hear all these people want to bamboozle you, say, what's the URL? All they mean for simple Shomolu grammar or this thing is the web address. So the URL is this one. If I copy it now and I take it to another browser, even here, let's do it. If I paste it here, you'll find that it's going to take me to the site. Yeah, bravo. So that's where it is. Now, rather than you find some are very long. So rather than bother yourself, because any little error in punctuation or spelling, the thing will give you one interesting error. The errors are numbered though. It will say error 404, site not found, and that's not what we want. So these people, they have invented another mechanism. In the last several years, everywhere you turn, what do you see? QR code. When I say everywhere you turn, I actually mean everywhere you turn. It's just QR code. What does this QR code say? Simple. The Q is for quick, and the R is for response. And it's not QR code. That my language, QR code. No, it's QR code. QR code is a quick response code. This was developed in 1994 by this Japanese company. And you can see it like this. You can modify. There's so many nice things you can do about it. But what does this do? All these dots and things I'm saying will just, when you scan it with a phone or any scanning device, it will just take you straight to that website. So you don't need to struggle. No struggle there at all. So how do we get a QR code for our website with that long link address? That's what I want to show you as we close this practical. Yeah, so to generate the QR code, be sure that you have published the latest version of it. No unpublished version, no problem with that. So we already have this already published, and look at it, simple. The page that you want to generate the QR code for, that's the address. All you need to do is right click on it. So can you see back, forward, reload, save as, and all that? Did you see this? Create QR code for this page. You click on it, and then you can say this is the QR code for this page. When you take your phone, snap this one, it will take you to that page. So what you need to do is to download it from here. Download is downloading. You can see it's downloading the QR code. This is it. Finish downloading. You can see it is done. Hey, what's the next thing? The next thing is to go to where the thing is. It's actually in the download area there. So you'll see it there. This is a QR code. Yes, we know that's where you are. So what you want to do, let's put the QR code. You will, yeah, you need to please rename this. Let me walk back the step again. So this is the home page that we want you to give us the QR code, or you can go to any of the pages. Assume it is this. You just right click, create QR code, and that's it. The QR code is here, but you need to download it. Download. It's downloading somewhere. Yeah, you can see downloading is scanning. Yeah, let's wait for it a minute. So it's done. It's done. So this is the one where you show in folder. When you click on this, it will show where it is. This you can see it's the second one that is bringing up. But because we want to differentiate your own QR code from the QR code of another, what you need to do is to right click here and then rename it. You actually can do it like this. Yeah, that's the QR code, but that's not what I want. I want to rename this. So just find a way of renaming this to Okebukola Peter Module 8 QR code. Let's see, have I spelled code correctly? Code practical waiting, practical 1. So that's it. Click enter there. Yeah, so we are ready for practical 1. What are we going to be sending to us? We are going to be sending this QR code and also sending the web address. I'll just show you. I will show you because in this class we have a broad range of persons. Those who are my bosses in IT, they know everything about artificial intelligence, and those of us who are the other end. So, but let's move along together and enjoy the class. So let's summarize our work so far. What did we do by way of these practicals? We developed a personal website and we used Google Sites, and then we generated a QR code for the site. Now let me give you the expansion of the steps again. We planned the layout in Word. We got photos and other contents. We set up a Gmail account. I already have one. If you have a Google account, we went to Google Sites, and then we opened a blank Google site page, and then we save the site as my surname. That's Okebukola Peter Module 8. We lay out the pages, we set our menu items, we fill this thing, we file the Hey, wonderful. We don't work to do. We generate the QR code of the website and submit web address and its QR code. That's the last thing I'd like to show to you before I sign off. We are going to get this submission platform, and okay, I know there's nobody there, nothing yet, so let's have a preview of it. Now, participant, so you just go drop this down. Some people don't find their names because they didn't do a number of things that they should have done. Now, what I did was to put my name at the end there. Yeah, so I have it here. Okebukola Peter. Yes, that's participant. My group. Hey, I don't get group, but let me just take group 1, and then copy and paste the web address of your website here. Where's the web address? We showed you earlier. The web address is here. Just come to here, copy publish site link. You say copy link. So we go to the form. Yeah, so here my copy and paste my web address. Yeah, so that's it. Finish. It's not finished. Upload the QR code to the web address here. So where's my QR code? You got to note the location. I know the location. Mine is located in, so browse. Yes, mine is located in my download. So you can see, that's why I've asked you to rename it. So you can see it here. You click on this and then it's it's loaded. That's it. Submit. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, so congratulations on setting up your website and using QR code from it. You are the best. And not be me, now you are the best. Very nice. So you can now set up your personal website and generate the QR code. How wonderful. Until next warm-up activity, it is bye for now from Peter Okebukola.